Hello, good evening from Kabayog. A girl from Kabayog. A probinsyana girl. So I just want to share something. I know it's been a while since the last time I posted video. So yeah, I just want to share it. Although I don't have any subscriber, but I saw that there are people that watch my vlog. I mean, not vlog, but with a video that I posted on YouTube. So this is what I said. I just want to share something. There's a lot of things happen with me like lately. um I lost a family, one of the member of the family, the relationship and everything. So yeah, I just want to share one thing. Before the realization, it's kind of hard, right? When you used that someone was really into you, that someone was, I mean, from being stranger until he became part of your life, and then all of the sudden it changed. Although I never I won't blame him, like, of course, because I have shortcomings. I have lots of shortcomings. I think both of us, and I think we we tried to fix like many times, but there are things that, when we, as they said, if it's not God direction, well, it's just based on my understanding that no matter what we wanted, like, if it's not from him or if it's not for you, then no matter how much you wanted, even if fixing it a lot of times, like both of you just hurting each other. And now I can say it now, because before, because me, I'm really hard-headed. Like, if I want you, like, even though we're gonna argue a lot of times, I won't lose. I won't. I wouldn't want to lose you. Like, we're gonna stick together, but no matter how hard you want it, but as I said, you were just hurting each other. Then the only choice that you have to make is to let go. And if the other person doesn't want you anymore, then you have to do it, not for you but for him, for both of you, because it's what he wanted. Like, you cannot push it anymore. And it's so sad that from stranger and becoming part of your life, then go back to stranger. Like, it's fucking suck. Although I've been experienced that multiple times with with different partner, but yeah, but what we had with that guy, was great, because I experienced a lot of things that I never experienced. But as what they said, everything happened for a reason. So yeah, so no matter what we wanted, but if the other one doesn't want it anymore, and then all you have to do is to let go, even though it hurts you. And that's fine. Like, okay, not okay, you know but yeah, as long as, if you, as they said, if you love someone, then you have to let them go, because that's what they wanted. So yeah, I hope, for sure naman na he's happy, because I finally, give, I think he really wanted. So anyway, yeah, so one thing that I realized and learned, taught me for the entire relationship I had, like, I would admit, that you shouldn't take for granted someone if they love you. And yeah, but most of the time I always lower my pride naman. But in a relationship, it should be always give and take, more patience, wide and huge, broad understanding, if you wanted to work it out. And one thing I realized is you should savor and enjoy the moment while you were together, because you didn't know if it will last or not. If you're gonna spend together for a long time, forever, or if he or she will be your lifetime partner, then that's the reason why you have to enjoy the moment and um cherish the moment while you were together, because you didn't know when he or she will change. But although people change, I know that because I've been experienced it a lot of times. So yeah, that's the only thing I want to share. To be honest, right now I'm kind of I'm still emotional, not totally happy, sad. Of course, there's no relationship that will end up happy. Well, probably from other person, but it always yeah. So just whoever loving you, or if you're with someone, enjoy and cherish the moment that you're together. Because once it will end up, it's so sad, you know. So no regrets. But I'll never regret what we had. I mean, it's a precious, bittersweet relationship, and yeah, and I hope he's happy, because obviously, for sure he is. For sure he is. And yeah, everything happened for a reason, and I'm just hoping and praying that pain, and the pain that I've been facing right now, that it will heal soon. And yeah, that's just I wanted to say that if you love someone, love them with all your heart. At least when you end up together, you will never take no more regrets for you, because you already did everything. So yeah, that's the only thing that I want to share. And I hope you had a great night and great day ahead. Although I don't have that subscriber, because I don't totally share it on Facebook, I just share it on YouTube. I just tried it, but I have 5 viewers, and thank you for all, and thank you for that 5 viewers. So yeah, thanks for listening. Adios. See you in my next video.